Hey guys, what is up? It's your girl Unique, and I am back with another tutorial for you guys. So as you guys know by the title, we will be installing this blonde, I forgot what inch it is, but it will be in the description box. But we will be installing this beautiful blonde hair from Megalook. They have some really cute hair, okay? And I did forget to make an intro for the beginning of this video, so I will be doing it the old-fashioned way and just doing a voiceover. Okay, so as you guys see, she is applying foundation to my cap, my wig cap. That way, you know, the scalp part will look real. It will look like, you know, my complexion or whatever. So that's what she's doing now. In an overview, this is just a tutorial showing you guys how to install this wig. Because a lot of people, I don't know why, but they think, you know, blonde hair is always kind of difficult because of its color and because they think it's hard to blend in. But no, you can still make blonde hair look natural. Okay, so like I said before, this wig is from Megalook Hair. You guys can go check them out. I will leave all of the information in the description box, and I have a special code for you guys so you can get some money off if you guys would like to purchase. So yeah, you know, your girl got the hookup for y'all. So yeah, basically right now she's just, you know, cutting the wig cap. And yeah, so this video is really self-explanatory, and I hope you guys enjoy. So she is using rubbing alcohol to basically you know, clear off the residue from my old wig, because you know it was glued down. So that's basically, you know, the old glue that she's wiping off. And a lot of people just, you know, clean your head right there, your face, so everything will just look clean and fresh. Okay, she's pulling the wig on. Boom, look at it, y'all, all gorgeous and stuff. So yeah, that's what's going on now. With the hot comb, she is basically flattening the front part of the wig so it can lay down really flat, because flat is the key. Okay, so yeah, that's what she's doing now. She is using Ghost Bond's wig glue to basically put glue in the front of the wig so, you know, everything can just lay down, be secure, and everything.
run it back, run it back, run it back.
That's the blonde hair you had? Yeah.
You ain't gotta ask me.
You do watercolor? Yeah. That's what I did. Well, that was she. My friend did. Who? She did.
It's fun and you get out of there.
What you got going on, bro? You know how to go down here. You said you want to suck my dick again. Something like that.
Yeah,
I was like,
he was laughing about it too, like he was just
weird ass nigga, something lying on his dick.
Yo!
He's on another nigga though, like.
Exactly.
How you doing? Boom, that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this mini tutorial. So yeah, make sure you guys give this a thumbs up, and I hope you guys can get a chance to try this bomb look at home. See y'all.